In today's video, we're doing a nap time clean and decorate with me. I needed to get the house nice and cleaned, doing some deep cleaning and just some regular old cleaning. I wanted to clean the cabinets. I'm going to share a good tip with cleaning your cabinets. And then I also am going to be decorating a new space that I've been wanting to decorate for a while. So make sure you stay tuned so you can see how that all turned out. Let's go ahead and get started with today's cleaning. Thank you guys all for being here.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I do lots of cleaning motivation, mom life stuff, homemaking, decorating, all that kind of stuff. So if you like those videos, I think you'll like it here. Like I said in the intro, we are going to be doing a nap time clean with me, and I'm also decorating. I wanted to get my bed made first, and then we were tackling the living room, getting the vacuuming done, and then I also am going to vacuum the living room, the kitchen rugs, because I wanted to just get the vacuum done while she was in a pretty deep sleep, so that way that if for whatever reason it didn't wake her up, because I wanted to try to get as much cleaning as I could done while she was taking her nap.
For you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time.
I also wanted to do a little bit of dusting because it had been a minute since I had done that, so I wanted to wipe down my elliptical and all of this entertainment center and just get it nice and clean.
Oh yeah, you're the one I want and I love you. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Now that I got the rugs vacuumed, I wanted to go ahead and tackle this table, get it nice and cleaned off, get all the things off of it, and then we're going to move on into cleaning the hutch. I just wanted to give that a really good wipe down and dust and get all the things off of it. I am going to be decorating the hutch on the top of it. You will see in this video, so make sure you stick around. That'll be after we get the kitchen all clean. I like to decorate with a nice clean slate so I can just see how it looks all together when the house is clean. I don't know how you guys are, but that's how I am.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song.
I got the kitchen island all wiped down, so I'm going ahead and moving on to the stove, counter area, getting the dishes that were air drying and putting those away. And then I wanted to get the counters all wiped off, cleared off, and then I also wanted to deep clean my stove this day. And to do deep clean my stove, all I'm using is my Dawn Power Wash spray, and then I'm just taking a little scrubber, using that, scrubbing it, and then wiping it off with a paper towel. Once I got the stovetop all nice and cleaned, I went ahead and used my spray wet and cleaned the microwave and got that shined up, and the stovetop, and then just the stove door. And then I'm also, while I'm just have that out, I'm going to go ahead and do the fridge, and I'll tackle the dishwasher and do that after I get the dishes done, just so that way if there's any water splatters, that's already taken care of. Okay, so I just cleaned up the counter above the dishwasher, getting that all nice and clean so that way I can unload this dishwasher and put all the clean dishes on there. And I'm going to unload it, and then I'll start with loading the dishwasher and hand washing all of those, I was going to say clothes, dishes, that's what they are. Before I'ma go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? I'm thinking about me. I'm thinking about me. I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So I'm thinking about me, ay, 'cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? I'm thinking about me. I'm thinking about me. I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So I'm thinking about me, ay, 'cause I've been thinking about you. Okay, so I'm just finishing up hand washing these dishes. I didn't have too many today, and then I'm going to clean out the sink. And then on this day, I really wanted to clean my kitchen cabinets. I've said in previous videos that I basically have to do this about once a month now, especially just on like the lower cabinets, because Waverly gets sticky hands walking around with like a snack or something and ends up getting the cabinets gross, so I have to wash these pretty regularly. And sometimes it's a pain to just take a cloth and go over every single cabinet. And I saw a couple of other YouTubers using the hack where they just take their mop and they mop their cabinets, and I thought that was such a good idea. Gosh, I am having a hard time talking today. So I just took some Pine Sol and hot water and filled up my mop bucket, and I'm gonna mop my cabinets. And I just made sure to really wring out the mop head before I put it on there, just so that way I didn't get tons of water droplets on there, but it worked so good. I will say there might be like around the handles, like I might need to go in like a couple of times, like every other month or something, and do like more around those, just because I couldn't get into those little nooks. But it was so nice that I could just go over everything and they got clean. And I did wash the mop head before I put it on there, just because it was like my kitchen cabinets, but I've seen people do this with their walls and all that. So this is a really good hack if you don't want to be bending over. And it took me probably more than half, like way less time to just tackle these, and I'm so glad that I found this trick, because it seriously is a game changer and y'all need to do it.
Curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah.
Okay, so I got the kitchen cabinets all cleaned off and mopped. So now I'm going ahead and just taking my broom and I'm going to sweep all the floors. I wanted to make sure I did this with the broom today, because we've been having a lot of ants recently and we have gotten some ant killer and stuff like that. So the ants aren't too terrible, but I wanted to make sure I get all of the crumbs in the corners and I'm not missing anything. So I wanted to make sure I use the broom today, not just my vacuum, and get just the floors really cleaned. And then while I had my mop water, I decided I was just going to mop the floors too, because I might as well if it's out.
Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes every time you touch me, babe.
And I don't know if you noticed, but I do have like some books and some of Waverly's things sitting here on the little stool, and then I moved her baby and a couple of other things because it is her nap time and her toys go into her room, so I just usually set them by the door if I am cleaning during her nap. So just know that I will put those away as soon as she wakes up. I just can't when she's asleep, so that's why those are sitting there if you're wondering.
Feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy. 'Cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on
Now that we have the kitchen all clean, we're moving on into decorating this hutch. I've been wanting to find something to decorate the top of this for a while, and if you didn't know, Hobby Lobby is having their clearance sale right now. They have this a couple of times a year, but they clearance everything like 70% off that they're getting rid of to get new product in. And so right now they have a ton of stuff on sale, so make sure you check it out. I got this crate for $12.99, and then this sign, I was trying to show it better, for $7, and it normally was $29, and the crate is normally, I believe, yeah, $49. So I got these on a way big discount. I was wanting something like this for on top, so I just put the sign up, and then I put the crate, and then I actually want to get a lamp. And there was one at Hobby Lobby, and I'm totally kicking myself for not getting it because I think a lamp up here would look really pretty. But I decided to put these flowers that I had on my table on top, and I actually really like the way that this turned out. I just feel like it just adds a really nice touch. I think I might add some maybe when I get the lamp, some greenery out of the crate or something like that. Let me know if you have any ideas, but I'm super excited just to add this. Looking at it with my whole house, it just helped it come together so much, and it just is helping my hutch come together. I still need to get a few more things inside, and then I really want to get a tiered tray for the bottom. I just haven't found one in the right size that I want in this style, so I've been looking out for one of those. Hopefully I'll get it before fall and Christmas because I really am excited to decorate this for those holidays. But I absolutely love the way that this turned out. You'll have to let me know what you think, if you think it goes well. At the end, I'm going to share what everything looks like all together when it's done, and I think it just ties in really good, and I feel like my house is becoming so homey and I love it. But I forgot to dust the entryway, so I went ahead and dusted that, and then Waverly was still asleep, so I was like, okay, I'm going to start to tackle the bathroom. And I was already cleaning my makeup brushes earlier this day. I didn't have the chance to get those clean, but I just wanted to start getting the bathroom clean, so I started wiping off the counters, cleaning the sink, cleaning the mirror, and then I only was able to get that done and then clean the toilet, and then she started kind of fussing, and I was like, well, I have this mop water out, I'm gonna hurry and mop. And then later that day I just tackled the tub. So I basically was able to get a full house of cleaning done during her nap, and it felt so good, and I'm so happy that I was able to get all this done today.
Closer to heaven.
But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for hanging out with me and cleaning along with me, or whatever you did during today's video. I hope you guys liked this style of video of cleaning and decorating. And let me know what you think of the hutch decor on top. Thank you guys all so much for being here. If you haven't, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my videos. Leave a comment and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Those things always help my channel out so much. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, you guys.